Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video of the Daily 5 Arithmetic series. So today is day 21. So let's get started. In a two-digit number, if tens place digit is half of its digit at unit place and when 4 is added to 5 by 3 times of the number, then the number gets reversed. So find the number. So these are the options they had given, that is 12, 24, 36, 48 and 56. So instead of solving it in the traditional way, we will do it by considering the options. Okay, so let's get started with the first option, that is 12. So if the 4 is added to the 5 by 3 times of the number, here I have taken the first option, that's why the number will be 12. So that will be equal to 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, which 20 plus 4 will be equal to 24. So they have told that the number gets reversed. So here this 24 is not the reciprocal of 12. So that's why this option gets ruled out. So let's check the next option at 24. So 4 is added to the 5 by 3 times of the 24. Then it will give you 40 plus 4, which is equal to 44. And we know that this 44 is not the reciprocal of 24. So that's why this is also ruled out. So let's check the next option, that is 36. If 4 is added to 5 by 3 times of the 36, so that will give you 60 plus 4, that will be equal to 64. Even this is also not the reciprocal of 36. So this is also gets ruled out. Then 48. So 4 is added to the 5 by 3 times of the 48, then that will give you 80 plus 4, which is equal to 84, and we can see that this 84 is the reciprocal of 48. Therefore this is the correct option and there is no need to check for the next option because we already got the option here. So therefore 84 is the right option and the option will be the number will be 48. Okay, so let's solve the next question. After 6 years, average age of S, P and R will be 24 years. And 3 years ago, the age of S, P and R was in the ratio of 7:5:3. What was the sum of the age of S, R 4 years ago? Here they had given that the sum of their ages will be, the average of their ages will be 24. Means, therefore the sum of the ages will be 72. And this is after 6 years. So we want the percentage. That's why I have subtracted 18 and we will get 54. This is the percentage of all the 3 people. Okay. And also they have mentioned that. So 3 years ago the ratio was 7:5:3. So if I write it to the percentage, that is equal to 54. So that will be equal to 7x plus 5x plus 3x plus 9. Okay, since it is 3 years ago, so 3 got added to all the 3 people, so that's why I have added 9. So that will be equal to 54. Therefore 15x will be equal to 45 and x will be equal to 3. And also they have asked the sum of the age of S and R 4 years ago, and here we can see that the percentage of S, P and R, that is 7 3s are 21 plus 3 will be 24. 15 plus 3 will be 18, which is the age of P, and 9 plus 3 will be equal to 12, which is the age of R. Okay, this is the percentage and we want the age of them 4 years ago. So S plus R, if I sum this, I will get 36. So 36, I need to subtract 8 from that. So therefore I will get 28 as the answer, which is the sum of the age of S and R 4 years ago. So next question. Siri went to school from her home. If she travelled 40% of the total distance at 60 km per hour speed and 50% of the total distance at 50 km per hour speed, and she travelled the remaining distance at 30 km per hour. So then in the whole journey, what was her average speed? So let's take the total distance will be 100a. So firstly she will travel 40% of the total distance, so that is 40a. So next she will travel 50 percentage of the total distance, so that will be 50a, and remaining she will travel 10 10A distance. Okay, so and we can see that, so she covers the 40A distance at 60 km per hour distance, and the 50 A distance at the speed of 50 km per hour, and the 10A distance at 30 km per hour. And we know that if we do this, if we add all this, we will get the total time taken by her. Okay, so that is distance divided by speed will give you the total time. So after simplifying this, I will get 300 above 200A plus 300A plus 100A will give you 600A by 300. So the total time taken by her will be 2A. And here they asked the average speed of her. Means we know that the total distance will be 100A, and that is divided by the total time taken. We will get the average speed, which is 50 km per hour. So now let's solve one case like DI. So shopkeeper has wooden, plastic and ceramic toys and dolls. Okay, the ratio of the wooden to the ceramic toys is 2:1. The total plastic dolls are 2000 less than the sum of the number of wooden toys to the ceramic toys. Total number of plastic toys and the average number of dolls are same and equal to 7600. And the number of wooden doll is 90% of the total number of wooden toys, and the total number of toys are 250% more than the number of ceramic toys. Okay, and these are the questions I have asked. So first we will extract the data from the question and write it here. So here they have given the ratio between the wooden toys and the ceramic toys, that is 2:1. So that's how I have taken it as 2A and 1A. So later they had given the number of plastic toys, okay, that is as 7600. So they had given in the question that the plastic doll is 2000 less than the sum of the wooden toys and ceramic toys. So that is this will be equal to sum of this minus 2000. Okay, and also will be equal to 90% of the wooden toys. So that's why I have written 9A divided by 5. Okay, and here we don't know the value for this. I have written y here. So if I add this, I will get 3A plus 7600. And in the question they have mentioned that the total number of toys are 250% more than the number of the ceramic dolls. Okay, so that's why I have written here, this is 3A plus 7600 will be equal to 250 more than, means 350 divided by 100 into 24800 minus 24A by 5. So after solve this, so finally we will get the value as A is equal to 4000. So let's substitute the value of A in the equation. So after that we will get the number of wooden toys as 8000 and wooden dolls 7200, and the total will be 15200. Here the total number of plastic toys, that is 7600, and the plastic dolls, that is 10000, and the total will be 17600. So the total number of ceramic toys will be 4000 and the ceramic dolls will be 5600, and that will be equal to 9600. So this is the total of all the toys and total of all the dolls and the total number of the total of all the toys and dolls. Okay, this is the final thing. So we will get it after if you extract the data. So finally we will get this data. So now solve the questions. If the number of wooden bottles are 20% less than the number of wooden toys, then find the number of wooden bottles. So we don't know what is the wooden bottle count because this is the new thing now. So that will be equal to 20% less, means 4 by 5 times of the number of wooden toys. Here you can see the number of wooden toys will be 8. So if I substitute 8000 here, so total we will get the answer as 6400. So next question, the ratio of the number of wooden doll to the number of ceramic doll and toy together will be. So from the data we can see the ratio of the wooden doll to the ceramic doll and tie together, that is 9600. So if I take the ratio of this, I will get 3:4. Then the total number of ceramic toys and dolls together are, you can see from the this 4000 plus 5600 will be equal to 9600, which is asked in the question. Find the difference between the number of plastic toys and wooden toys. Okay. So number of plastic toys, it will be 7600, and the wooden toys, so that will be 8000. If I take the difference of this, I will get 400. So 400 will be the answer. So that's it for today. I am done with the arithmetic questions and also one caselet DI. So please do subscribe and support for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.